Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to solve this integration within 10 seconds. So let's start. So the integration is e raised to power of x multiplied by x cube plus x plus 1 multiplied by d of x. So this integration is really interesting because from a traditional method, if you try to solve, for example, a traditional method like by parts, integration by parts. So as you can see, if you multiply e raised to power of x by x cube, if you apply by parts, you have to apply by parts three times, okay, and that takes a lot of time. And again, if you multiply e raised to power of x multiplied by x, then again you have to apply by parts once, but that method really consumes 10 minutes. So we're going to solve this integration within 10 seconds. So before I do this integration, I need one prerequisites, one formula. Using that formula, we're going to solve this integration in 10 seconds. The formula is, whenever this integration e raised to power of x, f of x plus f dash of x is present, so the integration will be equal to e raised to power of x multiplied by f of x. Here f of x is any function. The function can be algebraic, inverse, logarithmic, any function. Okay, there is no constraint on this one. So whenever this is present, the integration will be equal to e raised to power of x plus e raised to power of x multiplied by f of x plus c. So before we start this integration, I'll give you a little proof how we got this. So the proof is really simple. If you take e raised to power of x multiplied by that function f of x as y, and if you differentiate, you'll get, using product rule I'm differentiating, you'll get e raised to power of x multiplied by f of x plus e raised to power of x multiplied by f dash of x whole multiplied by the differential d of x is equal to d of y. Now when you take e raised to power of x common, you will get e raised to power of x multiplied by f of x plus f dash of x. F dash of x is f of prime, its derivative, multiplied by d of x is equal to dy. Now as you can see, this value is equal to this much. Now I'll convert everything into y. So this much is equal to dy. Integration of dy is y plus c. Now I'll back substitute the value of y in terms of x, and here c is a constant of integration. So the value of y is e raised to power of x multiplied by f of x plus c. Here c is a constant of integration. As you can see, the final answer is e raised to power of x multiplied by that function itself. Now we'll try to solve this problem within 10 seconds using this formula. So remember this formula. Now I'll write this integration as integration e raised to power of x multiplied by x cube. Now when I see x cube, let's say this is a function f of x, algebraic function. Now I need its derivative. It's not present, then I'm going to create here. So the derivative of x cube is 3x square. Now that I have added 3x square, I have to subtract 3x square. Now let's see, minus 3 of x square is one more function, so its derivative I need in integration, that is minus 6x. Now that I have subtracted minus 6x, I have to add 6x. Okay, now the derivative again of 6x, the derivative of 6x is plus 6. Okay, now when I added plus 6, I have to subtract 6 because here I have created plus 6, so minus 6. Okay, now the remaining I'll write here, that is plus x plus 1. Okay, d of x. Now I got this much. Now I need couple. I need to make a couple here because this is f of x and this is f dash of x. So the integration for these two, if I multiply e raised to power of x, the integration for these two is e raised to power of x multiplied by that function, that is f of x, that is x cube. Here in this case it is e raised to power of x multiplied by plus e raised to power of x multiplied by that f of x function and its derivative. So function is minus 3x square. Now next is this much. Using these two I got this much. Now next is, this is 6x plus 6. So e raised to power of x, f of x is 6x. Now x plus 1 you can write easily. See, this is f of x and this is its derivative. So the answer is x times of e raised to power of x. Now for this minus 6, if you multiply e raised to power of x with minus 6, you can take a constant outside, and the integration of e raised to power of x is e raised to power of x. So you'll get minus 6 e raised to power of x plus n plus c. This is constant of integration. So if you can identify f of x and its derivative, you can do this question in 10 seconds. Okay, so if you like my method, please like and subscribe the video. Thank you.